Hey guys, today we are doing I honestly think these are my July empties, to be honest, because I have just been so out of the loop. But anyway, we're gonna get onto them anyway, so let's just get started. So the first thing that I used up was the very, very frightening shower gel from Lush. This one came out in their Halloween collection a couple of years ago. And it was super cute. I did like the smell of this. Wasn't like my favourite. But like, normally their Halloween scents are kind of like a little bit more different. And so I do quite like them. But yeah, like it's definitely not my favourite scent, but it was still nice and like fresh. I used up one of these Royal Essence mini candles. This is Pink Apple Punch. This smelled really nice. I got these out of one of their advent calendars that they did a couple of years ago. They're quite small, so I feel like the throw of them isn't like super great, but it was still nice. And yeah, I used up this Goldwell Just Smooth 60-minute hair mask. I absolutely love this. It is so amazing. It makes my hair so smooth and so hydrated, and it just feels so good. My hair gets dried out really bad from painting because I'm always getting like dust and plaster and paint and just everything in it. So my hair by the end of the week is always so like, it feels like straw because it just has so much different shit in it, which is gross. But I can't be washing my hair every day because it'll dry it out worse. So anytime that I need a bit of extra hydration, I just use this and it's absolutely amazing. I need to buy another one as soon as possible. I also used up the Just Smooth Taming Conditioner from Goldwell. And I use the Just Smooth range in my hair and I love it so much. It's so good. I am thinking about changing it up soon though, because I've heard that if you use the same shampoo and conditioner for too long, like, it doesn't work as well. So I kind of want to try out some new stuff, but I have no idea. So let me leave your recommendations in the comments because I'd love to try out something new. I used up the Hideaway Vanilla Caramel Candle. This is so old. I don't even think they make candles anymore. It smelled really good. It was a wood wick. And yeah, it smelled really nice. I used up one of the Royal Essence Mermaid Kisses body scrub. I like the formula of this and I love that you get the little jewelry in it. I just didn't love this scent the most. Like, I don't even know. It says a reminiscent of bouquet of flowers and enchanting blue lagoons, notes of ocean mist blended together with lily of the valley and camellia. I don't know. Like, it was nice. It was really fresh. It's just not my favourite scent. It does smell a bit like the ocean, which obviously getting something called Mermaid Kisses, you would expect that, so it's not off brand at all. I also used up one of the Royal Essence bath crumbles. This was in Sunshine Smoothie and it smelled really good. Super fresh and like, what does this one say? A blend of apricots and ripe mangoes mixed with creamy milk and sweet almond. It was really nice. Like, I did really like the smell of this, and once again I love that you get the surprise jewelry in it. Makes it really exciting. I used up one of the Hideaway Whip Scrubs. This was in Pineapple Coconut. I didn't mind this scent. Like, it was really nice and fresh, but also sweet because of the pineapple. I don't love this formula of whip scrub. Like, I do. It's just, it's a good one for like every day because it's a lot softer and like more gentle on the skin. But when I want a body scrub, I typically want something that has a little bit more abrasion in it. Not like super abrasive, but just something that feels like a good in-between. So this is a good one for every day, but yeah, not typically with my body scrubs. I like something that's a little bit more gritty, whereas this one was just a lot more gentle, and there's nothing wrong with that. Like, it's good for every day, but typically for my body scrubs I like a little bit of pain. No, not pain, but you know what I mean. Yeah, the scent is quite nice. Like, it's super fresh, super summery. So, and then the last thing that I used up is the Body Shop British Rose Body Yogurt. This smells incredible. Oh, it's one of my all-time favourite scents. It's so good. And I love the body yogurts from the Body Shop. I hate a moisturiser that takes so long to sink in. I've talked about it before. I can't deal with it. I hate being sticky. I hate the tackiness. I hate feeling like I can't move because my moisturiser's not soaked in. Whereas these body yogurts, they soak in really quickly. So they're not sitting on top of your skin for ages where you feel like you can't sit down or put clothes on or anything like that. I'm a bit weird about texture, but these sink in really fast and they still feel really hydrating, so that's really nice. I do really love the formula of these, and when I get my collection down a little bit more, I would eventually like to buy some more. I think I have another 1 or 2, maybe 1 at the moment. So, but that was my July empties. Not super in depth this month. You'll notice that there is not many skincare products because I have really neglected my skincare this month, or last month and this month too. But because we have been moving and just, you know, a lot of late nights, a lot of early mornings, a lot of being busy, so I've been neglecting my skincare a little bit. So I really need to get back into routine with that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!